I've partnered with Adobe Express to show you the best free video editor for creators and marketers in 2026. Let's imagine a new product just dropped. Now you want to turn it into social content. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Here's the solution. For creators, marketers, and solopreneurs who need to go from raw footage to a published post fast, Adobe Express is the best free video editor in 2026. No watermark and no subscription required. It is the only free tool that combines a drag and drop timeline, brand kit, and one-click multi-platform resize in a single workflow. Today I will show you the full workflow using real product footage. Let's get into it. Before the demo, here is the actual comparison table. For creators and marketers who need a complete free video editing workflow, Adobe Express is the strongest option. The others serve narrower use cases. In Adobe Express, you just need to press one button to start creating a video. Then you can choose a mobile video or normal video and browse lots of templates. I would choose a mobile video. And there we go, we're instantly in the video editor. Let's build an Instagram Reel from scratch, and you can use your own footage either by dragging and dropping it in here, or you press Add Media, and then we can select Adobe Stock Images or Adobe Stock Videos, or upload our own images and videos. I will just select all my 4 clips and press Open. They're immediately imported to the timeline. Now, Adobe Express stacks your videos in order automatically. So you can see we have some drone clips here, and we have me as a talking head right here. Trimming a video is exactly what you'd expect. You just click and drag the end or beginning of a video. So that's it. Clean, easy. So this is a proper drag and drop video editor. Nothing really hidden behind menus. I want this video to be faster. So I just click on the video layer, and on the speed slider, I can just drag the speed to the right to 150%, for example, and then the clip is way faster. Now we can also reorder our clips easily with dragging and dropping them. I want an opening text, and there are many options. I go to add text, and then you can use default text, you can use buttons, and you can also just insert your own text. So I'm just going to type drone specs. You can move the text easily, and you can also center it. Now I want to adjust the color from black to white. You can easily change the font and make it bigger. There are also really cool layouts available, like a circle, an arch. Just for this video, I will keep it default. Now on the second tab, we can use effects. So it's not just a white text, you can also generate effect by prompting it. So blue 3D rendered plastic balloon. You press enter, and there it is. That's so cool. Then we can go back and even use animation. Let's go for bungee as an in effect, which means this is the first effect to make the text appear, and we can use an out effect, which then is the bungee again, and it disappears. Now let's make the text a bit shorter, which is pretty easy as well, and let's play it back.
A beginner-friendly camera drone. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so
now maybe you want to add music, then we just can go to add content, choose media and music, and then we have Adobe Stock Music, for example, and we can just search for something educational. There we go. That sounds good. And now again we can just drag and drop it, and it is below our video. I would turn down the volume to maybe around 30%, and then it sounds something like this.
Beginner-friendly camera drone. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so you can fly with more confidence. You also get active track 360, which means you can lock onto a subject and it will follow it.
That makes the video way more captivating. Once you're finished, you can just go to download and choose a file format. Even though you've got multiple options, I would recommend MP4. And the video resolution could be FHD or even 4K UHD. And then it's just the click of a button and your video is rendering, exporting, and downloaded to your computer. And also, once the video is exported, there's no watermark, even in the free Adobe Express version. That is the complete workflow, so creators and marketers can easily combine different videos, add text, music, effects, drag and drop the clips, cut the clips, trim it, resize it, everything you need within Adobe Express. If you're going to use Adobe Express constantly, do this first. Set up your brand kit. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, paste in the hex codes, pick your fonts. It takes about 2 minutes. From that point on, every time you create a video, Adobe Express automatically suggests your brand assets. One click to apply. For anyone managing content for a business or for a client, this is the drag and drop video editor for small business that makes brand consistency possible. It's a free video editor for marketing that actually fits how content gets made in 2026. The Adobe Stock music library inside Adobe Express has thousands of tracks cleared for commercial use on the free plan, filtered by mood, genre, tempo. It is one of the things that separates Adobe Express from other free video editors for social media, where music licensing is always unclear. Who is Adobe Express best for? Let me break this down clearly by audience. First, Adobe Express is best for beginners. If you have no editing experience, the drag and drop timeline, pre-built templates, and auto resize remove every technical barrier. You can create videos fast and free without touching a complex timeline editor. Adobe Express is also best for social media creators. One-click resize and stock music mean you can go from raw footage to a ready-to-post reel in under 15 minutes. And Adobe Express is also best for solopreneurs and freelancers. No watermark on the free plan means you can deliver clean content to clients or use it for your own brand without upgrading. Of course, it's also best for marketers in any size company. The brand kit and a real-time collaboration feature keep your team on brand without needing a designer for every video. The one case where Adobe Express is not the right tool: complex multi-track productions with color grading and advanced audio mixing. This is Adobe Premiere territory. Express is built for speed and social content, not long-form editorial. Knowing the difference is what makes it useful. Quick FAQ. These are the most asked questions about Adobe Express. Is Adobe Express really free? Yes, the free plan gives you full access to the video editor, templates, and exports with no watermark. The premium plan adds more Adobe Stock assets and additional storage, but the free tier is fully functional for most creators. Does Adobe Express add a watermark to free videos? No. This is the single biggest difference from most free video editors. Your exports are clean on the free plan. What is the best free video editor for social media in 2026? Adobe Express is the only video editor that combines a watermark-free export, brand kit, drag and drop timeline, and one-click multi-platform resize in a single tool. Can I edit all camera and drone footage in Adobe Express? Yes, it handles MP4 files from drones and cameras directly. It is not a color grading tool, but for trimming, resizing, and adding text and captions and exporting social content, it handles drone footage well. What video editing features does Adobe Express have? Trim, split, speed adjustments, a drag and drop timeline, text animations, music from Adobe Stock, image background removal, brand kit, and one-click resize for every social platform. So, is Adobe Express the best free video editor in 2026? For creators, marketers, solopreneurs, and small business owners who need to produce social content consistently and professionally, yes, it is the most complete free video editor for social media without watermark. No paywall on the core features. A workflow that actually fits how content gets published in 2026. It is not replacing Adobe Premiere. It is not trying to. What it does is it closes the gap between I have footage and I have a published post, faster than anything else I've tested on the free tier. This is what makes it such an easy video editor for beginners and a reliable free video editor for marketing. I've edited my talking head, drone videos, and the product shot that you've seen with Adobe Express. The link to try the best free video editor, Adobe Express, is in the description, completely free to start. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I cover drones, cameras, video editing, and AI tools every week. See you in the next one.